Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Shandika here. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to take you guys along with me for a core and cardio workout. I've been training core and cardio for the past 2 months, twice a week, experimenting on what works for me and what could possibly work for you and give you some ideas. But before I do any of that, I'm going to have a pre-workout snack. Usually this incorporates milk, oats, protein powder, some peanut butter, banana, cinnamon, and flax seeds. And then usually I would have this 30 minutes to an hour before a very vigorous workout. Once I'm done eating that and it's all digested, I'm going to go in with some pre-workout. I also got a sample for this Performance EAA that I'm about to place into my water bottle for the gym. Usually what this does is it accelerates muscle building, speeds up recovery, improve athletic performance, electrolytes for optimal hydration. I'm going to see if there's a difference in performance or a difference in how I feel after this workout. And if so, I'm going to link it in the comment section below, but let's get started. Okay guys, first exercise, we're gonna go in with some cable rope crunches, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Make sure you either have a mat or a foam pad for comfortability when it comes to your knees. Start by choosing a weight that will help you to maintain great technique throughout the entire duration of the movement. Set up the pulley and the attachment to a height that complements your personal height. I'm using an overhand grip for more comfort to grab the rope attachment, hinging at the hips, keeping my hips still and elevated with my shoulders slightly ahead of my hips and my chin tucked throughout the movement. Once I'm done with that, squeezing my abs and bringing my shoulders to my pelvis with my chin tucked as I'm lowering down until my elbows are close to my legs and returning to the start position. I also got some glute activation and some hamstring activation with this exercise. They were definitely engaged, but I feel like if you keep these tips in mind, you're gonna really feel it. Next up, we're going to get into some single leg raise crunches, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. If this is too much reps, you can also lower your rep range. And if you need to, lower your sets as well. I'm using my hands to support me through the movement, and I'm making sure that the majority of that tension is kept within the abdominal muscles. I think I've completely underestimated how effective crunches can be, and then adding a cable machine to the intensity of the workout just takes it to a whole nother level. It gets easier. Even though it's a bit tough, it does get easier as you constantly implement it in your routine, and that definitely shows for the amount of strength you've accumulated over time. but I definitely would recommend doing the cable workouts with core movements. Okay guys, so to round off the core portion of this video, I'm going to do a bit of a variation. So this is going to be a crunch but also a sit-up. And I know it's confusing, but I noticed once I was able to apply the concept of slow and controlled to this exact movement, this was the perfect finisher for my core training day. I want you guys to give it a try. And if it's too hard, I completely understand. But if you have the strength and the endurance to do so, definitely give it a go. For the cardio portion of this video, we're going to use a treadmill, and the duration of this entire workout is going to be around 13 minutes. So this is how I'm going to structure my treadmill HIT, starting off with 3 minutes warm-up walk, an additional 3 minutes run at 7 miles per hour, followed by 1 minute at 5.5 miles per hour. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with 6 minutes on incline at an easy pace to recover. So the workout's done, and I'm gonna go in with a smoothie, and that usually looks like orange juice, water, strawberries, banana, with a little bit of protein. And then once I'm done drinking that, I'm gonna go in with some meal prep lunch. And for today, I decided to have chicken pasta with broccoli. So yummy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a few comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.